What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today is cover Wednesday's game plan. Let's go ahead and see if we got anything that will rock the markets come tomorrow morning. And as you see, Wednesday, we got a full day. We got a few different things that can move the market. You got at 8:15 Eastern Standard Time, ADP employment. You got 8:30 initial jobless claims, 10 o'clock. You got wholesale inventories. 2 o'clock, you got the Fed meetings from December. And then 3 o'clock, you got consumer credit. Guys, we know how to react when we got data dropping. We sit back, we relax, we wait for a clear direction, and then we get on them. We don't care about the data. We care about the charts. And we proved that today. Let's go ahead, jump right into the charts. But before we do that, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification, and that way you can pay attention and stay on top of these dynamite plays. Palantir, let's go. You see Palantir had a nice little dip. Man, you can say a dip, you can say buying opportunities. They dropped, they came down, they were sitting high and tight up here at that 76.55 level. But man, you see what they kept doing. They kept running this thing as they was following. You see these double tops right here. Boom, boom. Whenever you get stuff like that, that's a sign of Mayday to come down. And as you see, we started off, we got that big red candle. They ran this thing all the way back down to 70.31. We had a play in the Discord on that right there. Shout out to you guys that was able to get in Palantir and make some money on the downside. They're sitting at 69.10. If you are a bear, you want to see this stuff right here get taken out. 69.20. They can take out 69.20. Boom, you got 68.05 on deck. That's going to be a heavy level. Once they start taking out that, the next level down is going to be 67.25. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those areas. To the upside, if you are a bull, what you want to see is 70.30 get taken out. They can take out 70.30. Next level up. Boom, you got 70.70. Next level up is going to be these tops right here at 71.40. Next level up is going to be this stuff right here, 72.50. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those areas. That's Palantir. Newbies, beginners. Next ticker up, we're going to throw another one out there, RBLX. We had a play in this one as well. This, I told you, this is a money maker here. You can rinse and repeat. Play this one. You can catch it once it pop all the way up and ride it back down, and you can ride it down and ride it back up, because that's what they give you. They broke out of their shell on Monday, and they was able to jump up to 62.40, and you see what happened. We got this top right here. As soon as you seen that top right there, that you should have already known what time it is. It was coming down, and that's exactly what it did. It came all the way down to 59.95, if you will, today. And then bulls tried to push this thing back up. They end up closing around 61.40. Guys, this is a good play to make money in. If you are a bull, you want to see them open somewhere around 61.55. They can open at that. You got this stuff up in here, 61.90, and then boom, they coming back to 62.50 before they try to break out and ride back up. To the downside, if you are a bear, you holding puts, you want to see 61.05 get taken out. They can take out 61.05. You got some turbulence to about 60.95, and then boom, you got this stuff down here, 60.55. They lose that level. You coming back down to this stuff right here, 59.95. And ultimately, they trying to break through this stuff right here at 59.90. You lose that, you coming back down to 59.40. Next level down, boom, you got 58.95. So they can start pulling back. Once they start pulling back, you want to see this stuff, 58.55. Next level down is going to be 57.85. Ultimately, they trying to get back down to 57 even, and that's where trying to buy a call or ride this thing back up, that is a ideal spot to buy it at. 57.05, somewhere in that $57 range, because they gonna pop that thing right back up. There you go in this ticker right here. Next ticker up is going to be ENPH. We still with the newbies and the beginners, and this is another one that is a money maker. If you are a bull, you want to see them take out this 74.60 level. They can knock out that right there. Boom, you come into 75.80. Next level up is going to be this stuff at 76.90. They can break through that. They're going to go up even higher. Look for the triple top right there once they get there, or even quadruple top. You can call that a top. That's number 2. That's number 3. And once they get up there, expect some bears presence in that area right there. On the downside, you want to see 72.70 get taken out. They can take out 72.70. Boom, you got 71.10, and they can rock this thing a lot lower, losing that. You got 68.50 on deck. We'll handle in real time once they start getting past those areas. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Let's go ahead and get busy. We got a couple for you to pay attention to. First ticker up is going to be MST. We had a play in this one in the Discord. Shout out if you caught that break and was able to make money on it. They're sitting at 346.20. If you are a bull, what you want to see is these tops right here at 347.90. They can break through that. You got this stuff right in here at 350.80. They break through that right there. Boom, you got 354.10. Next level up is going to be this stuff at 356.20. You got some areas of interest right in here at about 360 even. They break through that, you coming back up to 367.50. That's something for you to pay attention to on the upside. On the downside, you are a bear. You want to see these bottoms right in here get taken out at 343. They break through that. You got these bottoms right in here at 340.25. Next level down is going to be 339.10. Next level down after that is 335.25. We'll handle in real time once they start smacking through that. What you really want to see if you are a bear, you want to see this stuff right in here get taken out. 335.50. If they can break through that right there, bears with some speed, they can smack this thing all the way back down. You got 328. Next level down is going to be this stuff, 324. Next level down is going to be 319.30. They can really get busy losing that area there. Next ticker up is going to be the SPY. They're sitting at 589.30. If you are a bull, you want to see them open out at about 590.60. They can do that. Next level up is going to be 591.95. After that, you got 593.10. Next level up is 594.35. On the downside, you want to see this stuff in here at 588.30 get taken out. Next level down is going to be 586.75. They lose that right there. They coming back down to 584.40. Next level down is going to be an area of turbulence up at 583.90. They lose that right there. Man, they can really start getting busy. You got this stuff down here at 580.50. If you want another different take profit spot before it gets to that level, you got 582.10 and then 580.55. There you go to the upside and the downside with the SPY. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. We had fun with this one as well. Tesla, they're sitting at 394.50. If you are a bull, you want to see 396.10. Them open up somewhere around there. Next level up is going to be 398.90. Then you got this area here at 400.60. They break through that right there. You got this little bow in here at 405.70. They break through that. Boom, you got 411.10. Then we get to this point again where they fight back and forth. Who's going to win that battle at 411.10? Whoever wins that battle, you got another area of interest at 415.10. They win that. The bulls start breaking out through that with momentum. You got this stuff at 420.40. Next level up is going to be at 425.90. We'll handle in real time once they start getting to those areas. If you are a bear, you want to see 392.50 get taken out. They take out that, boom, you got 390.10 on deck, and they can start going lower after that. We'll handle that in real time. once they start breaking through those levels right there, because they can really get busy. You got an area of interest at 386.40. Next level down, 383.50. You got some turbulence at 381.70. They break through that, you coming back down to 376. And this is going to be super crazy level, 373.10. They lose that right there. Man, watch this. Boom, you got 358.60. Don't get it twisted. We know Tesla can have big drops. Once you start seeing certain areas on the chart get violated, you already know what's ready to happen. Last but not least, we got Nvidia. Nvidia had they big run up, had everybody jumping into calls, and man, what they do, they ran that thing right back down. We're sitting at 141.63. If you are a bull, you want to see them open at around 142. You got turbulence, 142.25. They break through that. You got 142.80. Some more turbulence up into about 143.45. This is the spot where you want to see them break through. If you sitting in calls, 143.45, they break through that. Boom, they got to run up to 144.90. You got some turbulence till 145.50. Some more turbulence, 145.90. A little bit more at 146.40. They break through that. Boom, you got 148.30 on decks. We'll handle that in real time once that start happening to the downside. You want to see them open at 141 or lower. They do that. You got some areas of interest at 140.70, and then boom, you got 139.90. Next level down is going to be 138.90. So guys, that is a couple different tickers for you guys to pay attention to. That way, once you start seeing these levels get violated, you already know what to do. Or if you in calls and you see those levels to the downside getting taken out, it's time to let those things go. The moral of the story is in this trading game is staying patient. Staying patient and following great setups. Man, you don't have to get in every single play. Sit back, relax, let the play come to you. Man, it's thousands of plays that's going to be thrown out there. You got to find the one that best matches your trading style. And once you see that setup, jump right into it, set your stop losses, and sit back and see what happens. That's all you can do at that point right there. Let Wall Street play their games. You ain't worried about getting faked out of a play because you got your stop set. And then once you in profit, you do the same thing. You move those stops up and you eat. You eat along the way. Do not let your red turn to green. Don't let greed kill your gains. Don't let greed kill your portfolio. So we had fun in the Discord today. I had somebody hit me up, Robin's Nest. Shout out to you. Hit me up with any new thoughts on RBLX. It's a play I called out a couple days in the YouTube channel. Said I'm in a long put until 117 as per your video, and jumped into that play right there. Bought the contract at $65. That play went from $65 to $93. That is 60.34% on today's return. Shout out to you for understanding the assignment, mastering the assignment, and being up 60%. That is a awesome increase. Again, guys, don't get too caught up on the dollar amount. Don't worry about the dollar amount. You want those percentages. That is a amazing percentage on a day trade. So, man, shout out to you if you cash out on that right there and or trim that thing down. But that is a good looking play. You made money. I am super proud of you. And everybody else, guys, you know we started out this thing 9:30 in the morning. I had the RBLX play. I said bulls need to recover, level up at 62.20. Next level up is going to be 62.35. Then I said 62.50. Expect the bears to pull that thing back from there. They hanging out in that area. I seen what was going on. I seen that top was ready to form, and you see what happened after that. They knocked that thing all the way down to $59. So shout out to you guys that was able to pay attention to that, understand the mission and the assignment, and dominate that play. So we had one in Tesla. You know, Tesla was sitting at 409. I said bulls need to hold 407.20 to prevent the bears from knocking that thing back down to 404.50 and lower. And you see what happened? Man, they lost that level. It was lights out. You see Tiger throwing his hat down on the ground. You already know what time it is. We done knocked one out of the ballpark. We doing this daily. We knocking them out. We killing the play. So shout out to you guys for getting into there, getting into the play and making money. So for everybody else that's watching this video, if you're not in the Discord, make sure you tap into the Discord. That way you got full access of my morning call outs as well as technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. So guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me on my Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.